What is the situation here?
Okay, the story is Honorable Mkupe, Harare East, is 864 votes, and students contributed 600 of those votes. These students, 100 from UZ, 50 is Zimbabwe Open University, another 100 Belvedere Teachers College, Harare Pole at some, and then Tier 1 training center had some students that contributed to his victory. So this is what we are saying. Honorable Mkupe, you promised us $10 per person with a total of 7,200 that you're supposed to give us. Now my students are Magazo Torachi, Mafesenyu, and the likes of Ana Sheroni, Famuapashima 120, Nana Molini Twini, Domagatomapa 120, Wamashima Bukira hotels. The 600 students that rigged to ensure your victory got nothing. If anything, we got intimidation, we got threats from you and your assistants, and we got beatings. So these things are happening in the privacy. So we decided the students want to come out public and say, Honorable, stop hunting us, we're not wild animals, please. So that the world in Zimbabwe knows with one of us, something happens, Honorable Mkupe is responsible. Secondly, Honorable Mkupe, you've got so much money, just give us 7,200. Just give us 7,200 database. If we can show you all the 600 students, some of them are here. So, Honorable Mkupe, pay 7,200, stop hunting us, we are done, we go home. If it's not that, it's also 600 students, so all of them will come here. Not today, from tomorrow, and continuously until you meet our demands. So this is just like Wakwanso Ngoyo, it was to engage. Unfortunately, we were beaten by Gilbert, who commissariat, his assistant. And this was where we want to damage we want to damage his reputation or anything. But we're now fearing for our safety. Now, I've been bleeding. Why? We didn't come here to demonstrate. We came here to engage. Honorable Mkupe, can you stop hunting us? One, stop threatening us. Even my girlfriend, it's okay, but let it not affect us. Saga, if you get it, we didn't come to demonstrate. I can pull out 600 students who are expecting money from me. I can pull them to come here and demonstrate. But we come to engage him. So no message. Garachi, Panze, Indopindachi, ne leadership, young. We get the dates, when we're going to get the man, we come and address the people, we go home. Alright, what we did is we had a coordinator from each university. And then Harare Pole, I can even name them if you want. Harare Pole with, maybe it's not proper to name them, but Harare Pole, Belvedere, I was the leader of ZOO, then UZ, and then Tier 1, which a leader from each institution was coordinating. And here Maria is Oana, we're saying, right, initially it was $20 per person, but we said, okay, Masuna Chapo $10. A coordinator, Achapiwa $50 or $100, depending on the people that show up to vote. So those are the leaders that I came with to engage Honorable. Then we go. But I want to na Gilbert, who commissariat is na Brighton,